In the quiet hours before dawn, when human cities exhale their last sounds of the night, a mouse emerges from the narrow space between two bricks. Its whiskers tremble, reading the air like invisible antennas, detecting vibrations too subtle for human senses. To most people, this small creature is nothing more than a shadow, a nuisance, or a fleeting blur across a kitchen floor. Yet the mouse is one of the most successful mammals on Earth, a survivor shaped by millions of years of evolution, thriving in forests, deserts, farms, laboratories, and the deepest corners of human civilization. The mouse's world is a landscape of danger. Every movement is calculated, every pause deliberate. Its heart beats rapidly, a biological engine designed for constant alertness. Predators loom everywhere, owls gliding silently above, snakes waiting motionless beneath leaves, cats stalking with patient precision. Even insects can be threats, and the environment itself offers no mercy. Cold, hunger, drought, and disease shape the mouse's life just as sharply as claws and teeth. Yet despite these pressures, mice persist in astonishing numbers, adapting to nearly every habitat humans occupy. A mouse's body is a masterpiece of efficiency. Lightweight bones allow quick escapes, while powerful hind legs provide sudden bursts of speed. Its long tail acts as a counterbalance, helping it navigate narrow ledges and vertical surfaces with ease. The whiskers, known as vibrissae, are highly sensitive tools that map the environment in darkness, allowing the mouse to move confidently where vision fails. Its teeth never stop growing, forcing the mouse to gnaw constantly, shaping not only its own survival but the world around it. In wild landscapes, mice play a vital ecological role. They are seed dispersers, soil aerators, and a critical food source for countless predators. A single owl may consume hundreds of mice in a year, and entire ecosystems depend on this quiet exchange of energy. When mouse populations rise, predators flourish. When they fall, the balance shifts. In grasslands and forests, mice help determine which plants grow and which disappear, shaping the future of the land with every bite. The mouse's intelligence is often underestimated. Its brain, though small, is highly adaptable. Mice learn quickly, remember food locations, recognize danger, and even display social behaviors such as cooperation and communication. High-pitched vocalizations, many beyond human hearing, allow mice to warn each other of threats or attract mates. Mothers teach their young survival strategies, guiding them through the hidden paths of their territory. Reproduction is one of the mouse's greatest strengths. A female mouse can give birth to multiple litters each year, with several offspring in each. These newborns arrive blind and hairless, utterly dependent on their mother. Within weeks, they grow into independent explorers, ready to face the world. This rapid life cycle allows mouse populations to recover quickly from losses, ensuring the species' survival even under extreme conditions. Human civilization has unintentionally become one of the mouse's greatest allies. Grain stores, homes, sewers, and agricultural fields provide abundant food and shelter. Wherever humans settle, mice follow. They slip through cracks no wider than a coin, adapting effortlessly to artificial environments. Yet this closeness has also made them symbols of fear and contamination, blamed for spreading disease and damaging crops. Historically, mice have played a role in human tragedy. They have carried fleas and pathogens, contributing indirectly to devastating plagues. These associations have shaped humanity's perception of mice as villains, despite their neutral role as carriers rather than creators of disease. Modern science has helped clarify these misunderstandings, revealing that environmental conditions and human behavior often play a greater role than the mouse itself. Beyond the wild and the city, mice occupy another world entirely, the laboratory. For decades, mice have been at the center of scientific discovery. Their genetic similarity to humans makes them invaluable for studying disease, medicine, and behavior. From cancer research to neuroscience, mice have helped unlock secrets of the human body. Vaccines, treatments, and life-saving therapies often begin their journey in the fragile body of a laboratory mouse. This role raises ethical questions. The same creature that scurries freely through fields becomes a controlled subject under artificial lights. Scientists strive to balance progress with compassion, developing standards to minimize suffering. In this paradox, the mouse stands as both a symbol of scientific advancement and a reminder of responsibility. Culturally, mice occupy a curious space in the human imagination. They appear in folklore as clever tricksters, in children's stories as gentle companions, and in cartoons as heroes far larger than their size suggests. These portrayals reflect an unspoken admiration. Despite fear or disgust, humans recognize something familiar in the mouse, a struggle to survive, adapt, and coexist in an unpredictable world. As night deepens, the mouse returns to its nest, hidden beneath roots or behind walls. Inside, warmth and safety await. The nest is a carefully constructed refuge of shredded leaves, paper, fabric, or grass, whatever materials the mouse can find. Here, life slows, and for a brief moment, the dangers of the world are held at bay. The story of the mouse is not one of dominance or beauty, but of resilience. It has survived ice ages, predators, and the rise of humanity itself. It does not seek attention, yet its impact is everywhere. In the quiet rustle of grass, the soft scratching behind walls, and the watchful eyes beneath moonlight, the mouse continues its ancient journey. To understand the mouse is to understand survival at its most fundamental level. Small, vulnerable, and often unseen, it endures where many larger creatures fail. In its persistence lies a lesson as old as life itself. Survival is not about strength alone, but about adaptability, awareness, and the courage to move forward, even when the world is filled with shadows.